At the absolute center of this stellar chaos sits the anchor of the Milky Way, Sagittarius, a star, hidden behind thick clouds of cosmic dust that block visible light. This object was only confirmed by tracking the bizarre behavior of stars orbiting near it at impossible speeds. Sagittarius, a star, is a supermassive black hole. It contains the mass of 4 million suns crushed into a single point of infinite density. Its gravitational pull is so immense that it warps the very fabric of space and time around it. 26,000 light-years away from the violence of the core lies our cosmic suburb. This distance is not accidental. It is a necessity for our existence. Scientists refer to this region as the galactic habitable zone. If our solar system were any closer to the center, the intense radiation from supernova explosions and the sheer density of stars would strip away our atmosphere and sterilize life. If we were too far out at the ragged edges, there wouldn't be enough heavy elements like iron, silicon, and carbon to form rocky planets like Earth. We live in the cosmic Goldilocks zone. Nothing in the Milky Way is stationary. Just as Earth orbits the Sun, our entire solar system is orbiting the galactic center at a staggering speed of 514,000 miles per hour. Even at this blistering pace, the galaxy is so vast that it takes the Sun roughly 225 to 250 million years to complete just one single revolution. This immense unit of time is known as a cosmic year or a galactic year. Let us look at its anatomy. The Milky Way is flat, shaped much like a vinyl record, but with a massive bulge at its core. It is staggeringly vast, spanning roughly 100,000 light-years from edge to edge. Think about that measurement. 1 light-year is the distance light travels in a single year, nearly 6 trillion miles. If you boarded a spacecraft traveling, consider the scale of a galactic year. The last time the Earth was in this exact position in the galaxy, the first dinosaurs were just beginning to appear on land. 2 cosmic years ago, the first complex, multicellular life was developing in Earth's oceans. Our species, Homo sapiens, has existed for less than 1,000th of a single galactic year. We are truly brand new arrivals on this merry-go-round. So, how do we define the Milky Way? It is a barred spiral structure of 100,000 light-years. It is a home to hundreds of billions of stars, bound by dark matter and anchored by a supermassive black hole. But more than that, it is a reminder of our context. Every human being who ever lived, every empire that rose and fell, and every thought ever recorded occurred on a tiny rock, drifting through this grand stellar city. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Because galaxies are mostly empty space, individual stars rarely crash into one another. Instead, gravity will pull, stretch, and reshape both galaxies over millions of years. The 2 distinct spirals will merge into a single, massive, cooperative system. Astronomers have already given this future home a name, Milky. Despite its terrifying reputation, Sagittarius, a star, is not a cosmic vacuum cleaner swallowing the entire galaxy. It acts more like a central sun for the galaxy itself. Its gravity anchors the core, maintaining the balance that allows hundreds of billions of stars, including our own, to orbit safely in a grand, predictable celestial dance. To find the force that governs this entire stellar metropolis, we must travel deep into the engine room, the galactic center. In our quiet neighborhood near the Orion Arm, stars are separated by vast gulfs of empty space. Our nearest neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. But in the core, stars are packed thousands of times more densely. If Earth were inside the galactic core, our night sky would be illuminated by 1,000,000 stars as bright as Venus. It would be a world of perpetual twilight. At the absolute center of this stellar chaos sits the anchor of the Milky Way, Sagittarius, a star, hidden behind thick clouds of cosmic dust that block visible light. This object was only confirmed by tracking the bizarre behavior of stars orbiting near it at impossible speeds. Sagittarius, a star, is a supermassive black hole. It contains the mass of 4 million suns crushed into a single point of infinite density. Its gravitational pull is so immense that it warps the very fabric of space and time around it. But how does this massive system stay bound together? When astrophysicists calculated the total mass of all the stars, gas, and dust in the Milky Way, they discovered something alarming. There isn't enough visible matter to generate the gravity needed to hold it together. By all the laws of physics, the galaxy should fly apart. To explain this, scientists defined a mysterious substance known as dark matter. Invisible, undetectable by light, and interacting only through gravity, dark matter forms a massive halo around the Milky Way. Structurally, the Milky Way is divided into 3 distinct zones, each with its own demographic of stars. First is the galactic disk. This is the thin, flat plane where the spiral arms wrap around. It is rich in gas, dust, and young, hot, blue stars. The second is the galactic bulge, a dense spherical cloud of tightly packed, older yellow and red stars at the very center. Finally, wrapping around the entire structure like a protective cage is the galactic halo. This area is nearly empty of gas, but it houses the oldest structures in the universe, globular clusters containing stars that are nearly 13 billion years old.